Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to change default account in Chrome so you can make sure Chrome always uses the Google account you want. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to google.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon to view the list of Google accounts currently signed in. Step 2. Click on Show More Accounts to expand the full list. Here you'll see which account is currently set as the default. The default account is usually the one that appears at the top and is used first by Google services. Step 3. To change the default account, scroll down and click on Sign Out of All Accounts. This step is important because Google automatically sets the first account you sign back into as the default one. Step 4. After signing out, go to the top right corner and click Sign In. From the list of accounts, choose the Google account you want to set as the new default and sign into it first. Step 5. Once you are signed in, click your profile icon again and choose the Google account. You can now sign back into your other Google accounts one by one. The account you signed into first will remain the default account. Finally, click your profile icon once more to confirm the change. You should now see your preferred account listed as the default in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.